Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT for daily productivity hacks. So ChatGPT can be a powerful tool for boosting your daily productivity. So here are some hacks to get you started. Number one is their content creation. You can just generate the ideas and ask ChatGPT for blog post ideas, social media captions, or even creative writing prompts. You can also use it for draft content like let ChatGPT help you write first draft of email. So if I just write email, write a email on job proposal to company manager for team leader post. So you can just give them command to write for your nice email. So here you will see, here is the dear, you will just put the name of your manager, and I hope this email find you well. I am writing to express my keen interest in the team leader position recently advertised at you will just type the company name. Here are the some basic, it will write all the email for the job proposal which is post on team leader. So in the end you will just write your warm regards, your full form name, your LinkedIn profile if applicable, your contact information. So this is, you can just use a daily productivity hacks. You can also generate create schedules. You can just ask a chat gpt to generate a daily or weekly schedule based on your priorities or deadlines. Example, I will just go for the new, and I will just ask him generate a daily exercise schedule early morning before 8 a.m. So let's see. Here's a daily early morning exercise schedule to get your day started on a healthy note. It is a balanced, time efficient, and suitable for most fitness levels. Adjust intensity and duration as per your fitness level. So here you will see, this is the daily productivity hacks examples. It will tell me the schedule of daily exercise morning. So it will I will just give them time which is before 8 a.m., and it will set the time 5:30 a.m. wake up routine and 5 to 10 minutes, and lighting stretch and touch toes and side stretch, neck rolls 3 minutes, drink a glass of water to hydrate, and 5:40 a.m. warm up 5 to 10 minutes, arm circle 1 minute, jumping jacks 2 minutes, high knees 2 minutes, body weight squats 1 minute. So this is, you can just set your schedule time of your daily priorities. So that's it. This is, you can just use ChatGPT for daily productivity hacks. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.